言语、行为来表达、来传递。愿上帝祝福我们。
After you find a station you like, the next most common thing to do is record it or save it, so you can quickly listen to it again next time. In this episode, we'll cover button 7, 8, and 9 on the MLite-880. Button 7 is the recording menu. Before using it, insert a TF card first. During recording, you can rotate the knob to adjust the recording gain.
但实际上，有些事情只有经过耐心的等待，才能最终凸显它的意义和价值。这一点在感情里尤其的适用。经过一定的时间的相处与
While recording, you can switch frequencies and keep the recording going.
2天就看腻了啊，还是钱啊能够让人踏实。你看三文鱼说必须看经济，对不对呀？谢大宇的。
能把一段感情体面的维持下去的人，却是越来越少了。真正的那些
After the recording is finished, it can be played back directly.
事情只有经过耐心的等待，才能像练
还是
体面的维持下先。越上一定再看，才能最终凸事情。只有经过耐心的等待，才能最终凸显它的意义和价值。这一点在感情里尤其的适用。经过一定的时间的相处与磨合。
就是不要看颜值吧啊，2天就看腻了啊，还是钱啊能够让人踏实。你看三文鱼说必须看经济，对不对呀？谢大宇的
能把一段感情体面。
Button 8 is for channel storage. You can save the frequencies you often listen to and quickly jump to a saved frequency from this page with one press. Select the frequency you want to save, press button 8 first, then press the asterisk button to save the current frequency.
是怎么个解剖法？从哪开始解剖？
我们说，我们谈复活的道理呢，不但是我们个人的见证。
做到
来讲的话呢，我们
充电了一点啊，谢谢。
的认知和提升自己，
让我看看，
让所有的这。
另外的是集中在群体，盯着基督徒。
You can customize the name of the saved preset frequency.
一个办法就是训对了以后的话呢，当他
Button 9 turns off the screen. This can reduce interference caused by the display. Note that this does not power off the radio, it only turns off the screen display, and the radio continues working. Press and hold the asterisk button to lock the encoder. Besides pressing the encoder, you can also press the hashtag button to adjust the volume. At this point, we've finished covering all the number button from 0 to 9 on the MLite-880. However, learning these keys is only the first step in using the MLite-880. What truly makes it unique is not just how many functions it has, but how these functions can be combined in different listening scenarios. In the future, we'll continue releasing practical MLite-880 tutorials, taking you through more ways to use it and helping you experience the unique listening enjoyment that this new generation portable SDR radio can offer.